Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Pelham Local and Long Distance Movers near me. A cheap Pelham moving company ensures that everything is done correctly from start to finish. 3 Movers offers the right local and long distance moving services. Our movers are dedicated to ensuring the safety of your possessions in every stage of the moving process. When you choose to work with us, you get the professional service you desire. Whether you're moving a home or business, we are ready to help you. Some of our options for your long-distance move include the following. Packing services. If you don't want to worry about packing and unpacking, you can hire us to help. Moving supplies. We have invested in the best moving materials to ensure all your items are fully protected throughout your move. An on-time move. Our movers are very time-conscious, and we ensure that we arrive at your property at the right time. Upfront pricing. Our upfront pricing is accurate and gives you the cost you need to set your budget. Licensed and insured. We have the proper certifications that allow us to offer the best local and long-distance moving services. Choosing to let us help you with the relocation you need to tackle means it becomes easier. We take the stress out of long-distance moving. Our team will help you get there faster and easier. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Pelham moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, local moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.